आज यूएस असेंबली का इजलास हो रहा था। पाकिस्तान प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो आज कह रहा है असेंबली के अंदर हमें कश्मीर के लिए आज़ादी चाहिए, पीस चाहिए, हमें जो है कश्मीर के लिए पीस चाहिए, हमें जो है फलस्तीनियों के लिए पीस चाहिए। व्हाट अबाउट अस, हम बलोचों का क्या है? 1948 से आपने हम पर जबरन कब्जा किया है, हमारी रिसोर्सेस को लूट रहे हो, हम पर एक्स्ट्रा जुडिशियल किलिंग और मावरे अदालत हमारे लोगों को कत्ल कर रहे हो। आए रोज हमारे स्टूडेंट, हमारे जो है वकलाओं को आप कत्ल कर रहे हो। हमारी जो लीडरशिप है, हमारी पीसफुल जो प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले लोग हैं, वो आज भी 4-4, 5-5 महीना में जिंदान में कैद हैं, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर कोई एलिगेशन नहीं है और सिर्फ उनकी आवाज को, वो सिर्फ पीस की आवाज को दबा रहा है। और बदकिस्मती की बात यह है कि दुनिया के अंदर पाकिस्तान की प्राइम मिनिस्टर पीस की बात कर रहा है और बलूचिस्तान में आप लोग आकर देखें वहाँ पे कितना पीस है। वहाँ पे मास ग्रेव है, 70-70, 80-80 लाशें जो हमें मिलती हैं। या क्या ये पीस है? पाकिस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर को ये सोचना चाहिए कि पीस है तो बलूचिस्तान में। और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ दुनिया के अंदर अगर इस खित्ते में पीस लाना चाहते हैं तो बलूचिस्तान शुड बी फ्री। अगर इस खित्ते में पीस नहीं आना चाहिए तो पाकिस्तान जैसे नासूर मुल्क का होना फिर दुनिया की पीस को तबाह करना है।
Baluch National Movement is a political party struggling for the independence of Baluchistan from Pakistan. In fact, today is an important day on the 80th session of UN where the world is together. So it's an historical day where the Pakistani Prime Minister is talking about the human rights violation in rest of the world. But unfortunately, they have forgotten what is going on in Balochistan. If just today we see, you would see dead bodies have been found in the roadsides of Balochistan. No one is safe in Balochistan. Women, children, elderly people, everyone is being abducted, tortured and being killed. Not only that, today is a clear message to the world that Baloch nation will never accept that the rest of the world comes and occupies the resources of Balochistan.
Organize this demonstration against illegal, unconstitutional, unelected interim government head Dr. Yunus, who last 13 months killed hundreds of Hindus and hundreds of houses are burnt to ashes. Children are killed brutally by his regime. Not only that, 3,500 police officers were brutally killed and he passed an indemnity so that they cannot be put in justice. Not only that, every day thousands of everyday people are dying. There is no law and order of that country. He is against the independence of the country. He is selling this country before the Western countries. We will not allow to do that. We are here to protest his speech that you don't belong to Bangladesh. You belong to Pakistan. Go back to Pakistan.
We are here from all over the world because we are protesting against the illegal Yunus regime after the after 5th of August 2024, when Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina had to leave the country for a security reason, and Yunus captured the country. And since then, minorities, all the Hindus and other religious people were brutally killed since 5th of August. Millions of people had to leave their country, especially Hindus. They were brutally killed on the street. Awami League worker, a student league worker, and everyone. And you will be amazed to know that the blogger killer, one of the prominent or infamous blogger killer, Josimuddin Rahmani, was released by the army, and there was a joyous ceremony that time. So the man who had given life sentence been released on bail without showing any cause. And about 800 and 900 terrorists who were detained in the jail, they all were released during Yunus regime. And there is a culture of impunity all over the Bangladesh. No justice. People are being killed, and they are treating Awami League workers like a cockroach.
And I just let you know They have genocide in Bangladesh. They're killing Hindus. They're killing Muslim. They're killing Christian. Our Hindus not safe in Bangladesh anymore. So we want justice, and we want these terrorists, their Fasibat, their Islamic fundamental. We want step down from the Bangladesh. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangladesh.
Tibet was never part of China. Member of United Nations. China is the guilty. Guilty of genocide. China out of Tibet now. Stop the murders in Tibet.
Stop the murders in Tibet.
Stop the rise in Tibet.
Language rise in Tibet.
Lama.